Hey guys, this is Savage Ellie. This time I have other nickname because why? Actually because I have new account. Not new actually. This is my first account. What I ever had on Movie Star Planet. So yeah, I'm actually sleeping. I'm actually sleeping. Like that's actually like look at that fucking face. I'm actually sleeping, and that's my fucking beat. Okay, whatever. Let's just get in a video. Just ASMR for you guys. It doesn't want to go in. Okay, whatever. I won't put it. Actually, I can't do anything. So let's just reset. Oh, fuck. Let's just try again to go in my profile. Okay. Wait, what? What? Okay. I want that fucking outfit. I want that fucking vlog. Okay. I'm just like saying, what the fuck? Guys, did you see my look? What the fuck? What the fuck, guys? Can I change it? I have no. I will just be back. Okay, so I just asked this girl for any trousers or boots, because I don't have any, and follow this girl because she's adorable. She's so cute, and she just gave me a gift. Oh my god. Okay. What the fuck? I have a lot. Okay. I have the back. What the fuck? I have a lot of things. What the girl? Change because these are actually really pretty. Damn girl. Okay, I just asked her for boots. Hope she will give me. I have a lot of these babies. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. I want to reach to level 9. They should give me. I hope they are beautiful. Well, yeah. I love those. They're very cute. Oh my god, thanks girl. If you're watching this, that I really, really, really love you. I'm cheating. Okay. She don't even know I'm recording, but I did say her. Oh my god, I really love those shirts and those boots. Look at those beauties. Oh my god. Okay, so I have these two. I have to just find some blue presents. Okay, she said hi, so be sure go now and follow her because she's adorable and she's very helpful. So now I'm just gonna find some and do some activates, some critters. So yeah, that was all to this video. I hope you liked it. Don't laugh about me. I'm not a good YouTuber, but yeah. Okay, so whatever. Hit that like button and see you on the next time. Subscribe and like. So bye.